So this is going to be a test, well, demonstration should I say, on the Autoglym Rapid ceramic spray. So what I've done is I've sectioned off 2 parts of the rear door of my van. I'm going to spray one section with the Rapid ceramic spray, putting it on with a foam pad. Then I'm going to buff it, and I'm going to leave it for a short while, and then I'll spray some water on the left part and the right part, so on the treated and untreated, and hopefully you'll be able to see the difference with the beading. Right, I'm just going to let that go off, back in a moment. Okay, so I've now applied it, just buffed it. That's the ceramic spray. I'm going to peel. Off. And then hopefully you can see the difference. There we go, you can see it's beading, or running down quite a bit on this side compared to the untreated side. There's much more water on the untreated side than the treated side. There we go. That's obviously it's not a tutorial how to use, it's just showing what it does. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing, any support would be much appreciated. Thank you.